In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use these GIFs to create videos so that you're still able to use them in applications where you might not be able to post a GIF by itself. So for example, you can't just post a GIF to Instagram and have it work. It needs to be rendered as a video. And so I'm going to show you how you can do that with this e-commerce pack. So we're going to start with our image. And then just click and drag from this video folder in your pack. And you'll see there's only white for a reason. When the black ones are exported to video, they're exported with a black background, and so that doesn't work. So for our purposes, they're all white, and we are just going to drag the one we want, scale and position it the way we like. From here, you can change your blending mode to screen. Or if you wanted it to be black, like the text to be black, you can invert, so Command I or image adjustments, invert, and then set your blending mode to multiply. So I'm actually going to do white, so we'll set it to screen. And if you save this as it is, it's only going to save as a flat image. It's not going to save animated the way we want. And so from here, we need to go to Window, Timeline, and we're going to click Create Video Timeline. And now this has come up as a video so that we can get that kind of animated look and post it on Instagram. Now this only goes through one rotation of the GIF, so it's helpful to duplicate this layer and then click and drag it so that it'll repeat a few times. And if you're happy with 3 cycles, then from here, we're going to make sure that our video ends at this point so that it just kind of repeats on social media. So we're going to click and drag this image all the way to meet the side. And now it's all the same length. And then we'll click this arrow button down here to export. So we're going to render the video. Let's rename this. Sign up. We'll make sure this is our document size. Otherwise, you might end up with some strange black bars off to the side. And render. And then once this is done exporting, you're going to be left with this great video that you can post on social media that will, especially on Instagram, just kind of sit there and loop, which is great. Excuse my messy files for a second. There we go. So that's what we end up with. And when you post this on social media, specifically Instagram, it's just going to sit there and loop. So it'll look like a complete GIF image without having to be. And yeah, that's how you can use this whole pack. Where is it? That's how you're going to be able to use this on in context outside of email, where for email you can just click and drag this and it's going to display perfectly fine in emails because email supports GIFs, whereas Instagram does not. So that's how you can kind of hack it a little bit, and why I included all the videos for you to use, so that just becomes super easy. And yeah, that's it.